Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video here on Vampfrx. So in today's analysis, we're looking at one of my favorite pairs, GBP USD. You know the vibes. So we're gonna be doing a top-down analysis from the 4-hour. With this video, this is a setup that I've already took. You guys can go check it out on my Instagram. My Instagram. I'll leave a thing on the screen and you can find the link to that in the bio of this video. So starting with the 4-hour, we had this channel that came up since the beginning of the year now. Something I drew up a couple of weeks ago. Not much to look at besides the channel going up, and we have a break through to the downside of the channel. We go into 1 hour. Okay, on the 1 hour again, you can see that price did break that uptrending channel. It came back for a kind of a retest. I wouldn't say it's a full retest because we already have one over there. So when price was over here, I could see that we had this level over here that was also respected. So what I did with this is I took my fibs, I drew it to the lowest point, which was round about here, and then let me just go a bit deep into that. We also had that that doji candle right after that bull, right there. Okay, there next to the green candle we had that doji that symbolized a downward movement to me, and that was another confirmation that I could keep in mind. The overall trend of this trade was moving upwards, so it was kind of like a going against the trend type of thing. But like I said, we had that break, so the break is what gave me confidence to enter short on this. Okay, going one time frame down to the 30 minutes, we can see that we had like another uptrending type of support over here that isn't very accurate. I wouldn't advise drawing a support like this, because when you draw uptrends and downward trend patterns, like when you draw upward trend and downward trend lines, then we try and get it as accurate as we can. Like for example, I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with Elliott Wave Count. Their channels are great. You guys can go check that out. They have a free Telegram with their channels. So when I draw my channels, I try to be like that, but in this case I was a bit rogue and did my own thing. And okay, looking over here, we also had the support. Price respected this zone quite beautifully twice. So we had a double top and then we came down. Sorry about that. And then we came down and then we broke that support. As you can see here, price was playing around in this area when I took my entry. So with my risk to reward ratio, it would be a safe bet to enter, which is what I did. I think, yeah, 20 pip risk, 40 pip gain. That was my take for that. And then I also drew my forecasting line, which was a prediction to the downside with a double top. It did give a double top, but not where I expected it to do. I did expect some drawdown into loss, but it's respected and it did what it was supposed to do because I said so. Okay, yeah, you can see that. Let's just see how much we closed off this. Let's see how much we closed in total. It was about 51 pips. Yeah, 51 pips, which is not too bad at all, bro. Not too bad at all. That's like more than double your risk reward. So it was supposed to, my normal, if you watch my videos, you know I always do 2 to 4 risk reward. In this case, I made it a bit bigger. I think my last, I didn't actually come to the 15-minute time frame when I was analyzing it, but I did stop at the 30 minutes. But I'm just doing a top-down analysis for the video. So yeah, that was my trade on GBP USD. I hope you guys can take something from this analysis. Yeah, feel free to comment things you think I might have missed in the video with this analysis, things I could have done better, and feel free to leave a like, and definitely that subscribe button will motivate me to keep making analysis like this. to help other traders out there, upcoming traders or experienced traders even. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye.